Having a blinking blue light on your Rogers Ignite or Xfinity modem usually indicates that it's in WPS mode, attempting to pair with a device. If you didn't initiate this, or the pairing is stuck, it means there's an issue. First, try to cancel the WPS mode by pressing and holding the WPS button on your modem for 5 to 10 seconds. If this doesn't work or there is no WPS button, unplug the modem from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds to reset it. This will interrupt any ongoing pairing attempts. A common cause can also be firmware issues, so make sure to update the firmware as well as check that the internet is running properly. After the modem restarts, wait for the lights to stabilize, indicating a successful connection. If the blue light persists or turns red, or orange, further troubleshooting is needed. Use an Ethernet cable to directly connect a device to the modem to test the internet connection. If the internet works via Ethernet, the issue is likely with your Wi-Fi setup or the device you're trying to connect. Update your modem's firmware via the My Rogers app or Xfinity's portal. As of November 2025, outdated firmware is a common cause. To prevent future issues, consider using app-based pairing instead of WPS due to potential security risks. If problems continue, contact Rogers or Xfinity support for remote diagnostics or a technician visit, as provisioning errors can also cause this issue. Also, make sure the modem is away from metal or other electronics.